Hello everyone. In today's video, I will explain to you how to speed up a slow laptop, a step-by-step guide. Enjoy the video. If you're one of the people asking themselves, why is my laptop so slow? Then you've come to the right place. Follow this guide and solve your laptop speed issues once and for all. Here are some of the more common reasons that your computer is being slow. You've got too many startup programs. Your hard drive is failing or full. You've got too many add-ons fixed to your browser. Your antivirus is too overzealous. You don't have enough memory. Next, I'll go over 6 steps to keep your laptop in tip-top shape. Step number 1, change power settings. Newer operating systems have a power saver setting that reduces the performance of your PC in order to save battery. Go to the control panel, find hardware and sound, and then power options. You should choose balanced or power saver. Number 2, disk cleanup. When you have your laptop for months, you accumulate stuff in the background and foreground that you probably don't need. Running the disk cleanup tool will help you get rid of the things that you haven't opened and don't need to keep your computer running. Step number 3, disable some of your startup programs. When you install new programs, they're often configured to open when you boot up the laptop. The more programs you install, the more work your computer is automatically doing as soon as it starts, which ends up slowing it down because of all these programs that are running in the background. Go into Task Manager, and under the Startup tab, you should see a list of programs there. Disable the ones that you don't absolutely need launching right away. Number 4, bloatware. Bloatware is software that comes with a new laptop, but the kind that you'll never ever use. They're little games and apps that you didn't ask for, but can really slow things down by loading processes when booting up. You can uninstall and delete these things yourself. Number 5, reduce animations. The newer operating systems have lots of flashy animations that look great, but slow things down. You can easily disable these by going into Performance Options, then underneath the Visual Effects tab, where you'll be able to unclick whichever animations you'd like. Step number 6, uninstall programs you don't use. As we said earlier, laptop users tend to let their guard down with overall maintenance. Part of this includes installing programs, using them for a bit, then forgetting about them entirely. Even though you aren't using them, they're still taking up valuable space on your hard drive, and sometimes they're even running in the background. Instead of letting them suck your laptop's power, uninstall them and watch your computer lighten its load. Finally, speed tells you a lot. Why is my laptop so slow? Isn't always an easy question to answer. Usually, it's because there's too much clutter on your hard drive or too many programs running at the same time. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Share if you think this information could be useful to someone else. Comment if you have a question. More videos on my channel. Like and subscribe for more tips.